The first step in replacing your 2009-2013 Kia Soul's dome light bulb is to safely remove the old one. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and your replacement bulb, typically a T10, 194-168, wedge-based 12-volt bulb, or an LED equivalent. Park in a well-lit area and ensure the vehicle is off. Gently pry the lens cover downward using your flat tool to release the clips holding it in place. Once the lens is removed, pull out the old bulb holder and carefully twist and remove the bulb. Be sure not to touch the glass part of the replacement bulb with your bare hands. Now that the old bulb is out, insert the new bulb into the holder, ensuring a secure fit. If using an LED bulb, double-check the polarity to avoid issues. Next, carefully snap the lens cover back into place. Turn on the ignition and open the doors to verify that the new dome light is functioning correctly. If the light doesn't turn on, double-check the bulb is placed correctly and that there is no corrosion. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Kia Soul's dome light.